So this Auxbeam came with like a whole wire harness. Has, like, if you'd set this up, it'd be perfect for you. But since I have this, I'm gonna have to cut these wires off, which kind of sucks. Cut these two plugs off here because they have the hot and the ground that goes to this relay. But if I snip them off and have it run from there across somehow, then this is just the lid, but I don't want this to sit like right here somewhere in there, so it's like hidden next to this would be nice. We'll see. I put that side on, but this side I'm trying to do with one hand. Let's see, yeah. Maybe I Here we go, the bolts. Slide these in here. We'll look this on. And here comes the fun part with one hand. Take your 1/2 inch wrench, go on there. Stand up a little bit. There you go. Yeah, that looks sweet. And for the wire here, I was trying to think about where I should run it. It looks like there should be enough room right in there, or come down right next to the arm for the hood. But we'll see, I guess. I'm gonna pop my phone out. Go. Oh, right, my phone. Down, I won't crush it. Got any pinched wires in there. Let's see. So I made these little L brackets at work, bent them up. There's already a hole there. There's already a hole there for something. I don't know if you can see that. But basically I hooked my oil water separator up, whatever, and then this is gonna go like right here. That's a pretty good spot. So now what I'm gonna do is just drill this hole right there, and I'm gonna drill a hole, well, after I measure it, drill a hole and put it somewhere in this little area, so there's chumpy, and then blah blah blah. Let's go like this. I should use 2 hands. Hold on a second. Bada bing, bada boom. Get that out of there. And there she is. There's the hole. There's the little bolt that I'm going to stick in there. That I also borrowed from work. Bada bing, bada boom. A little nut on there. There's one of the brackets. I might cut that down a little bit after I figure out where I need to go. I just need to work on this side. Bada bing, bada boom. We'll just drill a hole right in the battery box because there's already fucking holes in it, so might as well. I'll bolt that guy up, mark out where these two will sit, and then I'll probably, whatever I don't use, I'll lop that off because I want to try to keep it as low as possible. Well, maybe not too low, but we'll see. And these are gonna go right back in their spots there, and this one's gonna go right there. Upside down, sorry. So here it is. Put my little makeshift brackets on here. I mean, it's still kind of, the bolts are a little loose, but it's only aluminum, so it might wiggle a little bit, but that's not really that bad. Another reason I wanted to put it there is because this power cord would be nice and short to there. Sorry, to there. And then these are the cords for the accessory, which would go right in here, which I have the little chumpies that go in there. I forget what they're called, but yeah. This was from the previous owner, some hack job fucking bullshit. I have to reroute that eventually, but for now I'm just gonna leave it because whatever. So there's a little update. I wanted to put the button right there, but I don't think it's long enough, so I had to go through the firewall, which right there, just cut the little zip tie on this side. I'm gonna zip tie that back up, pulled it through. If you can see it down in there, but I cut it just on the left side right there where it goes through. A little slit, well, big enough for it to go through, and then have that running the whole way across. Wish it was like 6 foot longer, but you know, whatever. It goes in there, comes to here. Still didn't tighten that up, but yeah, getting there slowly, surely. So I guess I'll just have to have it right here, which isn't the best spot. I didn't really like it because it's kind of hidden behind the steering wheel when you're sitting there. You know what I mean? But it'll do. Alright, so I heard all I have to do is just pull on this and it'll come down. It's kind of sketchy because I don't want to break it. Oh, shit. Okay. Well, there's that. Not very nice, but I'll take this wire up through here. Bada bing, bada boom. And that's where I'll have it, I guess, somewhere in here. Oh, here we go. Actually, I'm just going to run it right through this soft pot, right next to the steering wheel. Oh shit, it's making. Just had to move some stuff because it's starting to drizzle a little bit here. But, so yeah, there's that. And then I'll just stick this guy back up. Just like that. And then here's a little cord. And my steering wheel shouldn't hit it. I don't go down that far because I'm tall, but. And then when I get out of whatever's left, I'll just push back in there. But my next dilemma is, should I screw it to this or just tape it? I don't know. Let's see what it looks like inside. Okay. So. That'd be pretty nice. Whatever. I'll tape it and then I'll see about screwing it, because I don't want to screw into this plastic. It looks, I don't like putting holes in shit, so especially if it's that nice. So I'll give it a try, see what happens. So I just installed the Auxbeam switch panel with the Auxbeam lights. Here we go. Oh yeah, look at that. times brighter almost.